So he's explaining in this first line that Adi means Krishna, they're absorbed, that indicates Krishna's amorous activities. And Vibram means that they started imitating Krishna. Because here it says, line 2, Pratiruda Murtaya. The gopis are imitating Krishna with their entire bodies and all their senses. Murti means their entire murti form. And they have attained this state internally and externally. Although they are ladies, Abala, they should have imitated other women, but now they're imitating Krishna. And they say to each other, I am he, I am that fellow performing pastimes whom you desire. So the gopis start thinking, oh, I am that person that you want to perform pastimes with me, and you desire to enjoy the rasa with me, that's me. This is madness? The gopis are speaking like this? And then they say, so then it says they perform pastimes like Krishna, Krishna Vihara Vibram, or they are bewildered by Krishna's pastimes. So it can go different ways, one of the lines of the verse. They identify with Krishna because that is the nature of activities and prema. That's what prema is all about. When you study the prema tattva, there's sneha, man, rag, anurag. So one of this pranaya, it's called sneha, man, pranaya, anurag. So pranaya means my pran, my life essence, my very existence, my life force is merged in your life force, because we talk about oneness in the amorous affairs of the husbands and wives. We'll say, let's say that they have union, or they come together in the oneness, but it's physical oneness and mental oneness, but oneness of prana, that's quite extraordinary, because prana is the very basis of existence, which keeps the Atma in the body. The binding link with this body and the Atma is the pran. So pranaya is intense love, where the gopis fully identify that Krishna, you're breathing in, I'm breathing in. You're breathing out, I'm breathing out. Your vital air, your 5 life airs, and apan, udan, and prana, your 5 pranas, they're mine. As you move, as you think, as you breathe, as you desire, as you feel, that's me. So that's one level of the love of the gopis. Sneha, man, pranaya, then rag. Higher than that, rag, anurag, bhav. So this is indicated here that they are feeling, they identify like that. And this is the nature of activities and love, Jiva Goswami says. Rupa Goswami says this anubhav, this they're experiencing, is called lila. There's different, not lilas and pastimes, but a particular anubhav. And lila means, the word lila in terms of rasa as a separate term, it means imitating the lover. Imitating a lover by wearing his garments, wearing his clothing, and actions. And you see in the Krishna Bhavanamrita, description of Krishna's eternal pastimes, that sometimes Krishna dresses up Radharani as Krishna. And then there's 2 Krishnas inside the kunja.